everybody, my name is Bashuwheeka. I am studying 5th class at Icon Public School. Respected teachers, I am so happy to give this opportunity. Today I am telling a small funny story. One day it was raining. A pussy cat was very hungry. It was looking here and there. It had no food. It saw a parrot sitting on a tree. The cat asked Parrot, Mr. Parrot, you sing well. You sing a song for me? Yes, yes. La 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 la, dum dum da dum. I can't hear you. Can you come near and sing? No, no. If I come near and sing, you may eat me. No, I'm an old cat. I have no teeth. Okay, then I'm coming. La 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 la, dum dum da dum. Now I'm going to eat you. You are a good cat. If you want to eat me, first wash your hands and face. I wash my hands and face. You wait here. I'll not wait you to eat me. Bye bye. I am a foolish cat. Meow. La 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 la. Dum dum da dum. Moral of the story: if you are in trouble, think wisely. Thank you.